I am going to show you how to fix the reply option not showing on replying to an Instagram message, or the swipe to reply not showing. So watch the video until the end. So all you have to do is go to your Instagram and basically select any chat. So if you really try to swipe any message to reply to it, or you hold and then as you're trying to react to a message just like this, and you don't see this reply option down in the left lower part of your screen, this reply portion, just watch this video until the end, where I am going to show you how to get that into your application, into your flowing. Right, let's get started. So to solve this, make sure you get this option. If you don't have it, watch the video until the end. So just do the following: just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So go to Google Play Store. Okay, if you're not having this reply option, go to your Google Play Store and do what they call an Instagram update. So select Instagram, then make sure you tap on update and make sure you run Instagram the latest version. So basically, if you run Instagram to latest version, you should be able to solve the problem. And basically, subscribe if this works for you, and let me know down in the comment section down below.